Welcome back to my channel, boils and ghouls. Today we are doing Shock from the trio Lock, Shock, and Barrel. Yesterday I posted Lock, so today we're doing Shock, and I decided to do the frowning face because on her mask she's frowning. And I saw a few pictures of her frowning, so I was like, you know what? Let's try something different. Instead of smiling, let's do a sad face. It was different. It was fun to try. You know what I'm saying? So starting off with our beautiful bear faces. Yes. I got a purple shirt because she wears a purple dress. And I'm going to prime my face using my optical illusion primer from Urban Decay. I'm then going to trace out the sad frowning face with a light brown eyebrow pencil. And then I'm using a mixture of this Ben Nye Clown White Cream Paint. And I'm also mixing in a little bit of this green cream paint from the Pastels Wet n Wild paint palette. This comes in the Fantasy Makers collection. I just wanted to be a little tiny bit green. Not too green, just a little bit. And make sure you take that down your neck as well. We're going to set all this with our SFX set powder from NYX Professional Makeup. And for eyebrows today, I'm of course using my Kat Von D Super Brow Pomade. And this is in Satellite Blue. I'm just doing some really quick brows, nothing too dramatic. I honestly don't believe Shock or Barrel has eyebrows. When I was looking at the pictures, I didn't, but I wanted to add them. And then I'm just taking a blue colored mascara from Wet n Wild, and I'm going on top of the brows just to make sure they're set in place and to lighten them up just a little bit. For eyes, I'm using my Sapphire Obsessions palette from Huda Beauty, and I'm using the light blue color and the dark blue color. And maybe a little bit of the dark blue color, you know what I'm saying? So I'm just doing a really messy eye, putting the light blue up on the crease and on the lower lash line a lot and making it super messy. And then taking the dark blue, going on the lid and the crease with that. Also in the inner corner, kind of dragging it down so it looks like there's bags on the eyes. And then I'm using this Essential Royal Blue Super Stain Liner from Wonder 2 Cosmetics. I'm just putting that in the waterline, and I'm also putting it on my upper lash line. To add some little detail marks, I'm using my Vivid Brights, a Vivid Sapphire liner from NYX, and I'm just doing those little, you know, lines that the Tim Burton characters have that we did in the last tutorial for Lock. All three characters I did very similarly, just different colors. I honestly did them the same way, and I basically used the same products for all three characters. And then I added the dark blue right in the crease a little bit. Adding some mascara. Mascara, you get it? What a perfect name for a makeup product for Halloween. I mean, come on. Then I'm adding some false lashes, just to give it a more girly look. I also am going to contour a little bit using the light blue shade from the Huda Beauty palette. I tried using a normal contour shade, but I just didn't like the way it looked. It looked a little muddy, so I'm going in with blue to contour instead. Then I'm drawing out the teeth there, so I know where I'm going when I'm painting, and I am again using my Mehron Paradise Paint Cool Prisma palette. Just mixing all those blues together, and this is what we're going to use for the color of the lips on the outside of the mouth. And then I'm using my Black Paradise Paint from Mehron as well, which is old paint that I've had for a while. And I'm just filling in the area around the teeth. And you maybe want to do about 2 layers of that black paint just so it's nice and opaque and you really can't see your lips. My lips are pretty big though, so Not huge, but I've got some big lips, so they always come through whenever I do a mouth paint. It's very irritating. Then I'm just outlining the inside of the mouth there. And I'm using my MagiCake Aqua Paint in Cloud White from bin 9, and I am filling in all the teeth with this paint. Her teeth are a little spaced out, not all the same size and shape. And then I am shading the outside of the mouth using the blue shadow from Huda Beauty. Outline the outside of the mouth. And I just did a few little detail marks on the eyes and around the nose, but that is it for this tutorial, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe so you can see Beryl for tomorrow's tutorial. And I will see you all in my next Halloween tutorial. There's so many more to come. Thanks for watching. Bye.